Mr. Bando!
We made it.
All right, hit it.
So, we got, shout out FDF.
Oh,
You got some fresh heel plates. We got not one, not two, not three.
Oh my God, dude, what'd you buy them out?
But 6 cans of turbo cans, and we're about to rattle can this Johnson today.
You know what? That's actually going to be pretty clean. White paint with the white cage.
Yeah.
That's going to be sick. Did you just put that on and not even clean your window?
Dude, shout out Cage Kids for the sticker.
You think that tape's going to hold up?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like for sure, for sure?
Yeah, no, it'd be good.
We're at the compound. It's cold, which means you can wear a shirt and a vest and you'll be good. Ran out of our double roll of tape, didn't we?
Yeah.
So honestly, there's nothing I can do. Ralph finally shows up from his from his 9 to 5.
9 to 5, dude. 7 to 3:30 at best.
Yep.
Using this high quality masking tape. Alright, this whole side's done.
Beautiful. The whole front's there too, because it's just tough. So this guy's gonna go side.
What's up? You think we're ready?
Dude, we're almost there. We're almost done masking. I got Ralph over there finishing it up for me. He's just the master at everything.
Hey, tell that guy to hurry up though.
Dude, Ralph, hurry up, dude. Fuck guy, you guys fucking
Fuck am I paying you for?
I'm not gonna lie, why does the black and the green go kind of hard?
The lime green?
The lime green with the black. That actually kind of goes, oh, that's why.
Sponsor me.
Yeah.
Too much rice.
Too much rice.
Yep. All about the prep work. Other way. There you go. That's the that's the thumbnail right there. Yes, double shake it. Skiing. Skiing. Side note. Oh no. Got a nice little dinger at Sonoma. Look who's out here cooking burgers. Sheesh. While the boys get high in the garage.
All right, so let's see what's going on in here. It's dusty. Very dusty.
Get this out already.
Ooh,
Yeah.
clean. The turbo cans for the win.
Where's that candy from?
Oh yeah, here you go.
Shout out Turbo Can.
All right, I'm gonna get out of here before we go.
It's that.
What'd you just say, Ralph?
Say that again?
So you don't care if I touch your buns, dude?
Ralph, you can touch my buns any day of the week.
Anytime you want.
Bring that ass here, boy. Boom. Boom. There you go, Brandon.
Boom.
I think Dylan's gonna be pissed.
What?
Well, dude, we're fucking straight up
burning
feasting
up.
without him.
There you go, dude.
Oh, thanks,
Hope you don't mind me touching it.
Touch my phone.
You guys, are you guys simping?
Dude,
We're sitting.
we're Sims.
Sims.
Oh, the lights are
Simpsons.
fucking.
What are Simpsons?
Oh my god, it's fucking crap off.
Oh,
Do I have to reset the thing again?
what? Oh, yeah, you do.
I gotta do it to you or home.
Wap, 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 wap.
Yeah, of course.
He's blacked out.
Off of one little beer like this. Sipping, pimping ain't easy.
Yeah, bro.
That's that shine pride.
Now we got the whole boys up in here.
Here you go, Bando.
Is this code number 2?
Number 3.
Code number 3. Wow.
I got 4 cans too. You're spray paint your window a little bit here. I know. Yeah, look at that. Did you get that off of alcohol right there?
Oh yeah, you can get that off with alcohol. No problem. Well, shit. Looks like you're gonna have a little bit of
Yeah, all of it came off.
shit.
Oh, on the paint?
Yeah, that's why you don't use electrical tape.
I think I have painters too.
Who was the dude that I said that you use electrical tape? Is that Ralph or you?
Ralph.
Ralph! God damn!
Jack, flip it. Are those all your bikes out there?
Yeah.
Oh, you got toys.
Yeah.
I was like, that's asking. Hey.
But fuck it. Wait, can you do that for me again?
Just a leg kick.
Going down.
Say wah, 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 wah. I got you. Check this one.
Just like that.
Here you go. Here you go. This one's for the fans. Oh.
Hey, it hits the paint.
Hit it
Get out
again.
of here. Get.
So, it's done. We got 3 coats.
Come on, Brandon. Come on.
Show the car. So, definitely the white definitely makes the carbon and the accents pop out a lot more than the black does.
That's right.
And it honestly turned out a lot better than when I painted the first time. But, yeah.
Carbon
Yeah. Everything went well. Paint laid down good. No runs. Got a little overspray on the windows, but I'm cleaning that right now.
It doesn't look bad,
It
honestly.
really does not look
It
bad.
looks like super good.
Yeah.
Looks like you guys taped it off hella good. Carbon fiber is good.
No,
No
everything-
marks.
No marks. Just got a little
10 footer
overspray here
easy.
and there, but
No, bro, this is like a 3-footer. This is a 3-footer easy. You gave it a 10 feet?
For flavors, I give it a 10-footer.
That's kind of fucked up, to be honest.
footers, crazy.
Either way, we're all matching.
How do you feel about that 10-footer?
That's crazy.
Right? Like at least 3.
At least 3, maybe even 2.
Maybe even
3.5.
3.5?
I guess.
For a rattle can.
I'm be optimistic.
For a rattle can,
I'm giving it a 2. I'm giving it 2 feet.
Yeah.
I cannot wait to see this thing in action with the livery and the white.
Oh, and the dog hair on the side of the car. Shout out there.
Shout out Bear. Giving it some red. Giving it some red and some red accents.
Deer.
Banks, what do you think? 2-footer? 2 or 3?
5. See? 5-footer.
He did just give it a 5.
Brake finger?
I have a little bit left.
What's up?
You got any brake finger?
Don't know.
I was literally.
Hey, what you guys say?
What you gonna say?
Hey. His ride's been pimped.
Is that a rental?
Yeah. I can back it up.
You got insurance on it?
I have mine.
Are you gonna fucking chase that with Modelo?
Cheers, fool.
Here, remember? Oh, let's tell Dylan what we said we were gonna do. So Dylan, we're gonna
gay. Not be gay.
we gotta take clips of you
in different
outfits in one day so that we can add
And
you
just
to
have
every
you
other
different
video that we take that you're not in
Very
there.
easy. I got you. No problem.
Go into any other video.
I'm black too.
Yeah, that looks clean as fuck. And then just be like, work at yard.
That's what. Every delicious. Oh, bing bong.
I don't think
You need to make little memes of him.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, not this meme though. Cheers.
Yeah.
Welcome to the chat. We only got a couple things left to do. We got Brandon's putting in 4 plates. Joey's got to do a little bit of an oil change. Ralph's got to do hydro. I got to do hydro. You'll see us at Thunderhill. 2 weeks. That's it.
Peace.
But we're back.